Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss the latest trends and developments in the world of technology and social media. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: the value of Twitter after the introduction of the Meta Thread app. Let's dive right in. Before we delve into the potential value of Twitter after the Meta Thread app, let's first understand what the app is all about. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, recently launched a new social networking app called Meta Thread. It aims to revolutionize the way we engage in online conversations and discussions. But how does this impact Twitter? Twitter, as a microblogging platform, has been an integral part of the social media landscape for years. It's known for its concise and real-time nature, allowing users to share their thoughts, news, and opinions in 280 characters or less. However, with the advent of Meta Thread, Twitter now faces new challenges and opportunities. One potential value of Twitter lies in its established user base and the unique attributes it offers. Despite the introduction of Meta Thread, Twitter continues to be a platform of choice for many individuals, including journalists, politicians, and influencers. Its fast-paced nature and ability to provide real-time updates make it a valuable tool for breaking news and live events. Another aspect that adds value to Twitter is its focus on niche content and communities. Twitter allows users to follow specific accounts, curating their timelines to receive updates on topics of interest. This feature creates a personalized and tailored experience, connecting users with like-minded individuals and fostering engagement within niche communities. While Meta Thread aims to enhance online conversations, Twitter can still maintain its relevance by doubling down on its existing strengths. It can continue to be the go-to platform for real-time discussions, breaking news updates, and fostering vibrant communities. Furthermore, Twitter can explore potential collaborations or integrations with Meta Thread to create a more comprehensive social media ecosystem. Integration with Meta Thread could enhance conversations by combining the best of both platforms, such as Twitter's real-time updates and Meta Thread's focus on meaningful interactions.